Hello, welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this amazing video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create amazing posters in canva.com for yourself, for your businesses and etc. So without wasting time, let's jump into details. So first of all, you need to open up your Chrome, your browser, any browser, okay? So now we're gonna type canva.com. Okay, so let's just open it. So here Canva is open. You can see you have got a box, the search box here, where you can type in things, or you can also go into templates and then you can find posters. So in marketing, there are some marketing things included. Okay, I have taught some of them before, but now I'm gonna teach you how to make posters. So let's go into posters. And it's just opening up. Okay, so now you can see the poster templates are open here. Okay, so I suggest you going with the one, which type are you going to make? Okay, so for example, you are gonna make a poster for a fitness gym or a fitness club or anything like that. You can also come here and type whatever kind of poster you want. Okay, so let me just show you that thing. Okay, so I'm just going to type gym posters. Okay, so let's just get some templates from there. Okay, so you can see I've got a category here, templates, posters, and then a gym. Okay, so you can choose your category and find the posters for yourself. Okay, so here you need to understand that some are paid and some are free. So you can see when I hover over my mouse here, I get a sign, dollar sign here, and written paid. So this is not free, you cannot use this, but if you need this, you can obviously pay and get it, but I recommend you going with the free ones. You have a lot of options in the free, so you don't need to pay a lot. Okay, so leave it and find the one which is free, which is useful. Most of them are free actually. Okay, so you can see this one is nice one and it's free. Okay, so let me just show you how to customize this or this. So let me just show you this one. Okay, let's go with this. I just opened it and now I've got an option of use this template. Let's open this. Okay, so this is just opening and here it's open. So now I recommend you zooming in first. Okay, so Control plus and it's zoomed in. Okay, so now you can customize everything from here. Okay, so let's just customize this color. For example, I want to customize this color. Okay, so I just clicked onto this, selected, and now I've got an option of choosing the color I want. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, so you can see that I've successfully changed this. I also want to change this yellow color, so I can select the yellow part and change its color as well, with going with black. Okay, this was this part, and now this one part I want to change. This is maybe this thing. Okay, so this looks amazing good. And now the remaining one, let's make it this one. Okay, so you can see I've successfully changed it. This is how you can customize things. Okay, you can type in your things here, your gym name, maybe it's Global Gym. So you can type in here whatever your name is. Okay, so I just randomly wrote this in. I don't know, maybe it's there or not, just randomly wrote. Okay, so you can type in your things, you can type in your rates, you can change it, you can add text box here. Okay, so this is how you will add text. From here you can add text. Okay, if you want you can add this one. I just clicked onto this and this came. Okay, so here you can drag it, make it lower, place it here. Okay, huge sale and something like that. You can add elements from here. You can type here and type gym. Okay, maybe you will get some. Okay, so now try finding the free ones. Okay, so whatever you want to add. This one, this is free, you can see, but these are Premier, these are Pro. You need to pay for them. Okay, so try choosing the free ones. Okay, so I press on this and this came. You can adjust this anywhere way you want. Okay, so this is how you create some amazing designs in Canva and make your posters. So let's add this one. Okay, so let's just drag it, decrease the size and fix it here. Okay, so this is how you can see I have changed the complete theme and now change the color to this one. Okay, so this is how the things go. So one more thing, you can increase and decrease the opacity of the things as well. Okay, so let me just show you. Select this one and you have got an option of transparency. Click onto this. Transparency is also known as opacity. This is the visibility of an icon. So you can decrease it, it's not visible on 0. As you increase, the transparency becomes more clear and visible. So you can choose according to your need. But one more thing is that this is not with only icon, this is also with a global gem written. This means that they are grouped. Okay, first if you want to make them separate, you need to ungroup them first. Okay, so click onto this and you have got an option of ungroup. So you can ungroup them if you want. Ungroup, and they are separate now. I can do separately things onto these two. Okay, now they are separate. Okay, so this is all from this editing part, and I hope you have understood successfully. And one thing more, let me teach you how to add images as well. If you want to add your images, you can add photos from here. You can type here gem and add something if you want. Okay, so this is free, as you can see, this is free. You can click onto this and an image has come. So you can add it if there is some requirement. Okay, you can put here, and however you want to put it, you can put. For example, you want to put it here, so you can do that. You can adjust it. Okay, somehow if you want, you can make these designs as well. You can add images and overlays and other things. Okay, so you can go in templates and you can also find the ones with the photos. Okay, you can change their photos. Okay, let me show you once there as well how to change photos. Okay, this is not difficult, this is easy. You can come here, select the image, press delete button from your keyboard, come here, select the image, delete button from here, and now you can upload if you want. You can upload images for yourself. Okay, and you can use from photos as well, gem. So this one here. Okay, so you can add things like that. Okay, I hope you have understood how to do this. So you can add this one here. I think I've added the same one, but this is the way how to do these things. Okay, you can crop it out, double click and select. Now you can crop it somehow if you want. You can crop it this way. Okay, back and forth and things like this. Okay, so you can fix it, done. So this is how you can change images in the images ones. You can also add images to the templates which do not have images. Okay, so for example, the one I used in the start. Okay, so this is how you can do things and change complete template. You can add a text here if you want. Okay, so this is how you can change these templates, change their colors if you want. You can change color here, like going with black line, and the other yellow line also you can change, and changing this purple color as well. This is not difficult at all. Okay, so this was very simple. There is nothing big in this. Okay, so you can change things and do. Now the part has come that how to save this poster and get a printout of this. Go to download, and now you have an option of file type. I suggest you go in PDF print. This is a high quality. You can also go with PDF standard and PNG image, but PNG image is not for getting prints out. Okay, so for printing I suggest you going with PDF. Okay, PDF is good quality printing thing. Okay, PDF print is a good one. So let's now click on to download, and it's being downloaded. Okay, So this method was a completely free method. You don't need to pay for it. Okay, so this is downloaded as you can see. Let's open this once. And you can see that you have successfully made a poster for yourself. You can get out a print of this. And the last thing which is left is that you cannot change the size of this poster. Whatever the template size is, you have that. But if you have tried Canva Pro or you buy a Canva Pro account, obviously you will be able to edit the sizes of the posters as well. So if you do really need to change them, you can buy the Pro one, but I suggest you these sizes you can find in the template section as well with the different ones. Find a template that has a larger size if you need the larger one, but these sizes which they have provided in the free ones are good enough for you. You don't need to make the sizes very large or very less. These are the sizes which are mostly used in the category. Okay, so these are simple. Okay, so you can resize as it is written here. You can resize it, but for that you need to pay. And if you need, you can pay them, but I suggest you these sizes are good enough. You don't need to pay. These are mostly used ones. Okay, so this was all from this lesson. I hope you have liked this video. If you really liked, share this video with your friends and family and help them learn how to make amazing posters for their businesses. And if you have any problem, come in the comment section and let me know. And thank you very much for watching.